Only got 20 minutes to cook? Here's the perfect recipe, Beyond Beef Tamale Pie. Rather than making dozens and dozens of tamales, we are gonna make it all in one casserole dish. It's a fun twist on a classic. Key ingredients going into this dish will be jalapeños, shredded cheese, baking powder, salt and chili powder, nut milk, melted butter, veg stock, our masa. We have fresh cilantro, cumin and coriander for our spices, canned tomatoes, enchilada sauce, shredded cheese, onion, green pepper and carrot, fresh corn, some smashed garlic, and chipotle chili peppers. Let's get cooking. I like to prepare this pretty close to the time that I'm going to top the pie, and it's a little more malleable and easier to handle. Some nice soft masa dough. And I like to use my hands for this and then kind of spread it all around. Now this will get baked at 425 for 30 to 35 minutes. Once it comes out of the oven, it's gonna be almost volcanic, super hot and bubbling. Gonna wanna let it cool a little bit before you cut into it. Spicy, smoky, sweet, savory. It's amazing. If you like tamales, you're gonna love this plant-based version.